trade recap. Executions. My fault, bruh. My fault. I gotta put. Alright. Trade recap. This is based off my bias, but trade recap. I was more kind of bearish, or scenarios were more leaning bearish, but it was kind of iffy. It was kind of both actually. It's going 1 hour. There was really nothing in the 4 hour, but at this point we're delivering from this. This was this is last week, so buys from last week. But from what we had, I think it was buys keep calling forming on the 15. I did see that we respected this 15-minute gap and then continue higher, but we still had this LR. But there was a SMT right here, so it was just kind of iffy. But I did notice we had a lot of at the time we had a lot of data to back us up. So we had these hourly gaps, we had these 15-minute internal highs. So I'd be more confident taking a short up here rather than just continue higher. But it still is all-time high trading. So let's go to the day what we did. So we open. This is the first. If I was set stone bullish, this definitely is a play, which should have been, but I don't care. Once I don't take it, if I don't take it, I don't take it, then I don't care about it anymore. But this definitely was a play. This long to around Asia, or Asia was right here. All-time highs is right here. But yeah, this is the first long. This is the model though. 5-minute continuation, 5-minute tap. There's good tap too. Filled in the gap. Inversion out of it. Simple. Would like a lot more bias behind it though. Could have been better. Definitely could have been better. But I mean, it's the model. Yeah, that was the first opportunity. I didn't take this. No, and it played out. I'm like, yeah. Once 9 a.m. Why is this shit lagging? Yeah, but once 9 a.m. Opened. Yeah. Once 9 a.m. closed it here, and we're just inverting these hourly gaps. Now I am bullish. Yeah, now I'm bullish. I'm not really looking for any continuation shorts now. I'm just bullish to all-time highs. Or if I could get another continuation to all-time highs. But which that presented before the trade I did take it. I'm gonna explain the reason why I took this trade though. The reason I took this, once we swept up the all-time highs, I do expect to at least have a rebalance, to either a 5-minute or a 15-minute. But the RR for the 5-minute was already a 1 to 3 for this, so I just took the. Why the fuck not? I'm not gonna take this. But this one was kind of like a scalp play, delivering from all-time highs. I can see if you're on NQ, you didn't take this because it is equal highs. But I mean, on the pair I'm on, this is a clear sweep of all-time highs. Clearly swept it. For at least from my perspective, what I'm looking at. And then we create this 1-minute condition. And I was gonna take this regardless. Just this is my foundation. My foundation is a sweep of all-time highs. We also have a huge SMT, and I got in the inverse. I mean, this is real fundamentals. What could have made this better is we also pulled within all-time. I'd say a PD ray up inside, also a PD ray that would have made it better. But I'm just gonna take all-time highs. And targets was this 5-minute for rally gap. Precision. Look at that. Bro. But yeah, this was just then I got tagged out, and honestly, like I say, if I didn't take this play, I would definitely took the long back up, because then this becomes a continuation long back up with this, and this was a better. I said this was better long than this one, but I think this one was 5-minute tap right here, also SMT as well. This, and then let's say 3-minute inversion, or even. I mean, yeah, the form would have been good, but I guess just 3-minute. inversion. Yeah, 3-minute inversion, back up, you know, break even all-time highs, and then just target a 1-to-1. That's how you just trade all-time highs. If you don't have like liquidity to target, just extend it to a 1-to-1 once you're already break even up here. But that would have been long if I didn't take this one, for sure. But I mean, I was up on the day, 390 on the day. Been around 360 on my other account. So yeah, just this one was more discretionary though, just cause like I had confidence in it. But I did de-risk though, and also I knew this was a higher RR for my target, so I mean I was fine with that too. It was just like 190, and I would have been okay with this loss. I had it at the body too. Could have, I mean, better just had it at the SMT, but just kept at the body. Literal 1-3, and then literally to the tick. Since we're so bullish, we're just gonna get bought back up, and that's what we did. You know, now I guarantee we're probably gonna consolidate until you just don't know what market's doing right now. So yeah, definitely solid like longs today though. 2 solid longs today. But the only reason I didn't take this long is I was just kind of overcomplicating these hourly gaps, trying to predict that they were gonna work. I just had a little too many scenarios for shorts. So I just hesitated, and then once I already hesitated on the long, I'm like, I don't care about it no more. And I miss it, you know. That's why I compromised so much in the market the past month, just by not caring about the plays I miss, even though they're good. I'm just sitting out the whole day if I don't catch nothing else. But yeah, that was trade recap.